Use an 8mm hex wrench to remove the transport plug on the hydraulic unit. Be sure to save this in case of future transport. Install the ventilation plug. Connect the power cord into the main power source. Insert the adapter into the jaws, taking care not to pinch fingers. The adapter should fit snug into the jaws. If the adapter does not fit snug in the jaws, turn on the ARK 150 WNP and then adjust the jaw travel range. The jaw travel range can be adjusted by depressing the foot pedal while adjusting the jaw return limiter. Note: a smaller jaw opening range will yield faster operation time. Adjust the angle of the jaws based on your desired ergonomic position. Once the adapter is seated properly, plug the adapter cord into the lacer. Turn on the power to the lacer. Release the emergency stop. It is important to note that there are 4 ways to stop the ARK 150 lacer mid-cycle. Turn off the power using the main power switch. Push the emergency stop button. Depress the foot pedal as far as it goes. This will trigger an emergency stop. Pull the power cord from its receptacle. If the lacer was previously stopped with an emergency stop, the control screen will appear red. If the control screen appears red, ensure all emergency stops are released. Then press ACK or Acknowledge to clear the red screen and access the home screen. Temperature, pressure, and press time settings can all be adjusted using the control screen. To adjust these parameters, press the F3 button. This will take you to the settings screen. This screen can be used to program up to 10 preset temperature, pressure, and press times. Each of these preset parameters will correspond to one of the 10 keys on the control panel, F1 through F10. To adjust the parameters, first select which option you'd like them to correspond to. On the bottom right of the settings screen, you will see the program number with an F1 through F10 with a plus or minus symbol beneath. Use the F4 and F5 buttons to select the program you'd like to adjust. Once you're on the correct program, the parameters can be adjusted. Use the D-pad to scroll over to the temperature setting, delete the current number, and input the temperature you'd like the jaw to heat up to. Press Enter again and scroll over to the second temperature setting. This corresponds to the other jaw on the adapter. Repeat the input process for the second temperature setting, pressure setting, and press time setting. Once all settings have been adjusted correctly, press the F3 button. This will bring you back to the main screen. To adjust further settings, like language, please refer to your IOM. From the main screen, use the F4 or F5 buttons to choose your program. Press the 2 red buttons to preheat the jaws. Note: do not touch the jaws while they are hot. The red buttons blink while the jaws are coming to temperature. Once the buttons are solid red, the jaws have reached the correct temperature. Using the tongs, place the fastener into the adapter slots. Take care to center the fastener to prevent uneven wear on the jaws. With the fastener in the adapter slots, insert the gauge pin into the adapter to secure the fastener strip. Insert the belt between the hook points. Depress the foot pedal to install the fasteners and activate the patch adhesive. The operation will end automatically. Be sure to depress the foot pedal until the lacer has completed operation. Once the operation is complete, remove the gauge pin and immediately place the belt and fastener into the cooling jaws. Depress the foot pedal and perform the operation once again. Be sure to let the operation finish automatically. Remove the belt and inspect your patch. Check these 3 things to ensure the fastener is correctly applied. The patch has bonded to the belt. the patch has turned slightly translucent. There is a smooth transition between the belt and the patch. Use the included scraper to remove any residue that may build up on the jaws.